for today, we'll be discussing the step-by-step guide on how to purchase your dream house and lot by Regine Santillan of MMD Realty. But before we proceed, we will give you 4 solid tips that you may consider in investing in real estate. For the tip number 1, invest as early as possible because land value appreciates. Tip number 2, invest in leisure places or areas near tourist spots. Tip number 3, invest in properties you can convert in a business venture. And for the tip number 4, invest in a location where you want to enjoy your retirement. And we will now proceed in 9 easy steps in purchasing your dream house and lot. Step number 1, contact a trusted agent that will assist you during the whole process. Step number 2, schedule a site visit, or what they so-called the tripping. Step number 3, make a reservation or reserve a unit of your choice. Step number 4, after the reservation, you may now start paying your monthly down payment. Step number 5, submit or comply all the necessary requirements. For locally employed, requirements are latest payslip, notarized certificate of employment with compensation, birth certificate per single, proof of billing, valid IDs, merit certification for merit, and post-dated checks. For OFW, requirements are job contract, COE, remittance receipt, birth certificate, marriage contract for married, valid passport, consularized SPA, valid ID of attorney's impact, and post-dated checks. And for the self-employed, requirements are valid mayor's permit or business permit, valid DTI or SEC registration, 2 years audited financial statements with ITR and tax receipts, bank statement if any, and post-dated checks. Step number 6, pag-ibig or bank loan process. In this part, all you have to do is to simply wait, sit back, and relax. Kami po ang bahalang mag-process ng lahat as long as may provide nyo po ang lahat ng necessary requirements. Step number 7, the loan takeout. Ito po yung part ng process kung saan approved na ng pag-ibig or ng bank ang inyong housing loan application. Meaning, isang kembot na lang talaga, may bahay ka na. Step number 8, the house inspection. And yes, we're almost done. In this part, all you have to do is to check every single details of your dream house before you finally move in. Ito po yung tinatawag nilang punch listing. And for the last step, step 9, is the move in. And this is really is it. The moment of truth, this is the time where you can finally occupy the house you've always dreamed of. Ang dali lang, di ba? Stop renting and start owning na. Let's make it easier for you. Schedule a free tripping with us now any day you want. Kindly visit my Facebook page at House and Lot in Bulacan. Call, text, or Viber me at 0916-881-9026. This is Regine Santillan of MMD Realty. Thank you for watching.